Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weekend vlog. I have shot my entire day to share it with you guys. Let's get started. It's 7 am now. Usually I wake up at 6 am. Since it's a weekend, I thought of giving myself an extra hour of sleep. Have started my day with some warm water, sipping it in my balcony, enjoying the view. This is my favorite me time and I try not to skip it every morning. I prefer to start my day on a relaxed and positive note. Then I started doing my exercise.
Stand up for the next one, the fifth movement, high knees. So what we're gonna do, get your knee up towards your chest, hop, alternate, and we're gonna move a little faster. Stay on your toes.
I just finished my exercise and I did it for 20 minutes. I have started exercising from last 10 days. This is one of the habits which I want to inculcate in 2021. So I have started in last 15 days of this December. I enjoy this tea time very much. This is the time where I scroll through my phone. Usually I don't open my phone for the first hour in the morning. I just put up a story on Instagram wishing my Insta fam good morning. As today is Sunday, it's a meal planning day for me. After finishing tea, I have to make a list of groceries and plan my meals for the next week and head to the market. Then I have started making my meal planning for the next week. If my meals are planned in advance, I can handle any other chores during the week without any stress. Usually I spend 2 hours over the weekend for meal planning and prepping so that for the rest of the week most of my meals are ready in 30 minutes. I have a dedicated video on meal planning and prepping in our channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Then I took a peek of the grocery list before heading to the market. I came back from the supermarket and started unpacking all the items one by one. It's 8:30 am now, so I quickly started preparing breakfast for me and my husband. I'm making poha today. I have taken all the required items for making poha. I have kept it very simple as I'm planning special dish for lunch. While chopping veggies for poha, I have cut extra veggies for lunch as well in order to save time. To make poha, I have put oil in a hot pan and then added cumin and mustard seeds. Once they are crackled in oil, I have added curry leaves, green chili and some onions and mixed them well. Then I am taking poha into this strainer and adding water to it. Usually I don't soak poha, instead I sprinkle water on it. Then I have added a pinch of salt and turmeric. Then I have put the poha into the pan and mixed it well. Lastly, I am adding grated carrots, peanuts and some lemon juice to it and it's done. Then I quickly started making lunch. Today I am cooking Telangana special bagara rice. For that I am adding whole spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf and methi. You can use ghee instead of oil. Then I have added some garlic paste, mint leaves, grated carrot and a pinch of salt and mixed it well. Once it is fried, I have added the mixture to the rice and left it for cooking. Then I have started making spicy tomato chicken curry. I have added cumin seeds, mustard seeds, red chili and tomatoes to the oil. After frying them for 3 to 4 minutes, take the fried tomatoes into a plate. Then I have added chopped onions to the oil and fried it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then added ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric, chili powder and coriander powder and mix it well. I have used some chopped tomatoes to make a puree and added it to the mix. After 5 minutes, I have added some curry leaves and green chili and mixed it well. Next, added chicken which is soaked in water for 30 minutes and mixed it well. Cook it for 15 minutes. Once it is done, I have added fried tomatoes to the chicken and mixed it well. After 15 minutes of cooking, I have added some coriander to it. Meanwhile, the rice is also ready. After cooking, I have started cleaning my stove and countertop. I do it once in a week to keep my kitchen countertop clean. Then I have started my meal prep by washing vegetables one by one and put them on a towel to dry. Once they are dry, I organize them in the refrigerator. Then me and my husband had our yummy lunch together. After lunch, I started folding clothes which I washed in the morning and arranged them properly in the wardrobe. It's 3 p.m. now, and after having a lunch, I had a good power nap and I'm feeling fresh. And so today I thought of setting my yearly goals in my planner. And let me show you my planner first. This is my 2021 planner which I got from Saloni Srivastav store. I'm going to write my yearly goals in this. Let me give you a quick flip through of this book. In the first page, we have details to fill like name, email, etc. In the next page, we have a quote and then a planner guide on how to use this planner. Next, we have a quote and a gratitude section for 2020. Here we have goal section for 2021 category wise, like career, health, finance and self-care. Next, we have a reading list for 2021. Next comes travel bucket list, experience bucket list and habits to inculcate in 2021. Next, we have a vision board section. Here we have a monthly spread and all the trackers for the month like mood tracker, water tracker, expense tracker, etc. I have started writing my goals for 2021 for each section. Setting goals and tracking them monthly helps us in achieving them by giving a clear vision towards our dreams. Every year, I spend some time reflecting back at the past months and start with a vision for the next few months. and I am done with my goal setting for 2021. It's coffee time and I came to my balcony for some fresh air. I have these two empty planters, so I thought of going to the nursery now. We have this beautiful nursery close to our home with a wide range of plants. I enjoyed some time there, bought two plants and headed back to home. These are the two plants which I bought from the nursery. They really brightened up my space. After that, we have watched a movie and spent some fun time. Yeah, we watched a nice movie and had some good food for dinner. And this is how I spent my weekend, and I'm tired and sleepy now. Hope you enjoy watching this video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.